Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to make this final title style or final credits in Adobe Premiere Pro. And first of all, we must add text to our timeline, to our video. We should take type tool and click on our video and, for example, paste some title. In my video this is lyrics of one Ukrainian song. After that we go to Window and take Essential Graphics. Press the edit button, and after that we should put our text on the center of our screen. Horizontal center and vertical center. So on the Essential Graphics panel you can change everything that you need. I mean font, size of our text and other things. But if we want to make an animation, we must take selection tool, click on the empty space of our video, and after that on the Essential Graphics panel press the roll button. And now we have text like this, but you can see that animation is very fast. So we must make our title a little bit longer. And now, how you can see, our title has very nice animation. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Subscribe to channel.